Okay, on and off work. We are calling as casual workers. That means when the work is there, the workers will be joined into the work and they will do. When the work is not there, they will not call out for that work. Okay, these kind of work mode we are calling as casual workers. Okay, here they gave the example about Tara. Okay, Tara, a woman, is as a casual worker in the paper mill. So what kind of the work she will do? Cleaning section. Okay, cleaning of the floor and cleaning of the machines when it is dusted and all, right? Okay, these type of all the works done by the Tara. And how much she get earned then? She will get 100 to 150 daily basis. Okay. If we calculate per monthly wise, not more than 2,500 per month. Okay. Don't confuse. There are two words. 100 to 150 daily means 30 days. 30 days into 3,000 or else 4,500, like that. You may be think, but as I told you, this is an on and off work, right? Maybe throughout the month may not be the work is there in the paper mill. Okay, so that's why not more than 2,500. She did not earn not more than 2,500. Okay, and what about the facilities and benefits? No, she do not get any allowances, any facilities from the company. Daily she has to come to the mill and she has to see that whether the work is there, do they calling or not. And if it is not there any work there, she have to be shifted to any other mill or else any place to do work. Okay, that kind of the works. So how many kinds of workers we have discussed here? Permanent workers and contract workers and casual workers. See, among this, many other kind of workers also there in the factory. Accountants, clerks and managers. See, accountants has to see about purchases and sold goods. Okay, and how much expenses has finished and all. They have to be, accountant has to be look out that. Clerk has to be maintain all the records and all. Okay, managers has to be maintain employees and missions and hold the firm, hold the factory. Okay, see, usually the senior managers, okay, usually the senior managers will be from the owner of the family. Okay, one of the owner of the factory. Senior manager is one of the owner of the factory. Okay, who will be owner. So from that family only, one person will be a senior manager in the mill or else in any industries. Okay, so comparing to these all the employees, senior manager will get more benefits and more allowances, even free education, free building and free transportations like that. Okay, see, next we have to discuss the topic here. Who owns the paper mill? Okay, who owns the paper mill? See, in this also there are three various of them. Okay, some of the people will get together, form as a group and they will start a mill. Okay, they'll form a group and they'll start a mill or a factory. Okay, and they will hire the employees and they'll start importing the machineries. Okay, and they build huge buildings for making of the paper and they'll run the business. And finally, when they will get the profits, they will share according to the group's investments. Okay, first they will form as a group, they will invest and they will do the purchases, they will hire the employees, they will start the work, they will hire they'll bring the raw materials. Okay, finally when they will get the profits, they will share according to their investments. Okay, these kinds of group of people gathering and starting in a paper mill. So these all group of people will be the owners of that mill. Okay, and another one, individual who have the more cumbersome amount, they are establishing the own factory for themselves. Okay, and another one, government. Government also, by using the government fund, they will be run the paper mills or also even in any other factories also. Okay, so whoever work in this government paper mills or else government factories, they all are the government employees. Okay, see here we have discussed up to now about the employees. Okay, see what are the problems faced by the employees. This is a company, this is a mill which is work on the missions and work will be the process going on. So due to that, and they are using some chemicals also. Okay, and due to that smell, okay, we can say that as a bad smell. Due to that smell and by using of that chemicals, employees become sick oftenly. Okay, employees become sick. Okay, so for that, only for the permanent employees only will get, when they were sick, they will get the allowances and they will get the medical help. But the casual workers and remaining other workers, they do not get any help. So in that case, the people are facing the problems, right? And the next topic we have to discuss about the pollution. Okay, see, as I told you, when the work is going on in the factory, a very poisonous smell, I can say the poisonous smell also. Okay, the poisonous smell will be released out into the air. Okay, and chemicals also, whatever they use to the chemicals, that is also released into the air. And they will use the water from the rivers and whichever the streams, and after the using of that water with the combination of whatever they used chemicals, and again they are released out into the rivers and streams. Okay, so and that chemicals mixed into the water, rivers and oceans, okay, and streams. So that all poisonous reaches to the water living animals. Okay, so water living animals, it is very dangerous. So in this way, air is become polluted and water also become polluted. Okay, and not only that, even these paper mills surroundings, if we see the plants, that all the dust, okay, that all the dust is it's forming a layer upon the leaves. Okay, it's forming a layer upon the leaves. Okay, that all the polluted air which came out from the factory, that all retain of the plant leaves. So due to that, these plants cannot take the sunlight and cannot produce the food. Okay, so due to that, the plants after some months, it will be die, or else the stop, there is no use of that. So in that cases, actually farms, see, if it is any agricultural farms are there as surroundings, so due to these all the reasons, there is no yield. Okay, there is no, if it is yield comes also, very less yield they will be get. So that is problem for the farmers which are near to the paper mills. Okay, and as I told you about the polluting of water. Okay, and here I want to tell you about the pollution from the factories. An example which we have seen, current example. Okay, nearly 2-3 months back in Visakhapatnam. Okay, in Visakhapatnam, due to the lack of maintenance, gas leakage from one of the factory. So that the smell of that leakage one, due to that smell, many of people were died in Visakhapatnam and many of the people were sick. Okay, so this is about our lesson. Okay, and you have to read the lesson carefully.